For the best price, click the link in the description. If you're like me and are tired of mediocre digital drawing tablets that lack precision and accuracy, then keep watching because I've got a game changer for you. The Creative Katana V2 is not just another digital drawing tablet, it's an artist's dream come true. But here's what surprised me about this product. It's actually built with professional-grade components that are typically found in high-end devices. Therefore, let's take a closer look at the specs and features of this powerhouse. But before I dive into the details, let me ask you, have you ever struggled with drawing on a device that just can't keep up? Do you find yourself constantly adjusting settings or dealing with lag? You're not alone. Many artists face these issues. Therefore, what sets the Creative Katana V2 apart from its competitors is its ability to deliver exceptional accuracy and speed. With 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a built-in stylus that's designed for ergonomic comfort, you'll be able to create artwork with precision and finesse. But there's more. This device also supports tilt recognition, allowing for even more expressive and detailed work. Therefore, whether you're an illustrator, animator, or fine artist, the Creative Katana V2 has got you covered. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's talk about some of the key features that make this product stand out. First off, it comes with a beautiful 13.3-inch touchscreen display that provides stunning color accuracy and a high-resolution screen for crisp details. But what really impressed me was the adaptive battery life, which adjusts to your drawing needs and lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a look at some of the user reviews and ratings from Amazon customers. With an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, it's clear that users are loving this product. But here's what I found interesting. Many users have reported improved productivity and reduced eye strain thanks to the Katana V2's intuitive design and high-quality display. Therefore, if you're ready to take your digital art to the next level, then keep watching because I'll be sharing more insights and my personal experience with this product. But before we dive in, let me reiterate that for the best price, click the link in the description. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty details of what makes the Creative Katana V2 so special. In the next section, I'll be sharing more about the device's technical specifications and how they contribute to its exceptional performance. But first, here are some key highlights. 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity. Built-in stylus with ergonomic design. Tilt recognition for expressive drawing. Adaptive battery life up to 10 hours. Stunning 13.3-inch touchscreen display. Therefore, let's take a closer look at the device itself and see how these features come together in real-world applications. One thing that really impressed me about the Creative Katana V2 is its sleek and compact design. Measuring just 0.7 inches thin, it's perfect for artists on the go who need to work from anywhere. But don't let its size fool you, this device packs a punch when it comes to performance. But here's what I found interesting. The Katana V2 also has a built-in microphone and speaker system, making it a great option for artists who want to record voiceovers or listen to tutorials on the go. Therefore, if you're looking for a device that can keep up with your creative demands, then look no further. In terms of compatibility, the Creative Katana V2 is compatible with Windows 10 and macOS devices, making it accessible to a wide range of artists. But what really sets this product apart is its ability to seamlessly integrate with popular art software such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Therefore, if you're tired of dealing with clunky or outdated digital drawing tools, then the Creative Katana V2 is definitely worth considering. With its exceptional accuracy, speed, and versatility, it's an artist's dream come true. Now that we've explored some of the key features and specs of this product, let's talk about what it means for artists who use it. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Creative Katana V2 offers unparalleled creative freedom and flexibility. But don't just take my word for it, here are some testimonials from satisfied customers. I was blown away by the accuracy and precision of this device. It's like drawing on paper again. Emily R., the battery life is amazing. I can work all day without having to recharge. David K., the touchscreen display is stunning. Colors pop in a way that's just not possible with other devices. Sarah T. Therefore, if you're ready to experience the future of digital art for yourself, then don't wait any longer. For the best price, click the link in the description and get your Creative Katana V2 today.